Yati had a packet of sugar. She used an equal amount of sugar each day. At the end of the 10th day, 1/4 of the sugar was left. At the end of the 12th day, the amount of sugar left was 120 grams. How much sugar did she use each day? Now, to do this question, we must realize that at the end of 10th day, she had 1/4 of sugar left, which means that she had used 3/4 in those 10 days. So 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4 of sugar, and she uses this in 10 days. Okay, so 10 days, she would have used 3/4 of her sugar. So the question is, in 12 days, how much sugar would she have used? What is the fraction of sugar that she would have used, right? So in one day, what we'll do is we'll divide both sides by 10. So we'll take 10 divided by 10, that's how we get 1. We do the same thing for 3/4 as well. Alright, so 3/4, divide this by 10. Alright, we will get 3 out of 40 of sugar used per day. Okay, now I'm interested in 12 days because I know how much she had left in the end. So I can find how much she used in 12 days. 12 days, she would have used 3 over 40 times 12. And this will give us 9 out of 10 of her sugar. In 12 days in total, she would have used 9 over 10 of her sugar, which means, right, she will be left with 1 out of 10 of her sugar. Okay, so 1 whole minus 9 out of 10. We'll get 1 out of 10, and 1 out of 10 will be representing whatever she's left with, which is 120 grams. Okay, so we jump to 9 out of 10 so that we can know in 12 days how much sugar she used. 120 times 9. (1,080 grams). And to find for 1 day of sugar, okay, we will take 1,080 divided by 12 days. Alright, because take note, 9 over 10 of sugar represents 1,080 grams, and that is for 12 days. So for 1 day, we'll take this divided by 12, and we'll get an answer of 90 grams of sugar usage for each day.